my camera here for a while and see if bird comes to eat this. I'm leaving some food for birds. I'm hoping to get some close-up shots of birds. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday afternoon and I've just come for a walk in Saltaire. It's a Robert Park here. You can see it's a beautiful green place. It's water everywhere. This is my kind of place. I feel so fresh today. I'm coming out after a long time. I can hear birds, ducks. Let me take you around and I will show you this wonderful park. This is a cricket ground. Look at the ducks. Excuse me, sorry. I got some close-ups of ducks. They were on our path. So beautiful. I managed to get some close-ups of ducks and their babies, ducklings. They're so cute. I was a bit scared, but they were so lovely. And this is the boat. They sell food in here, but it's closed right now. We can book it in advance. Oh, it's a beautiful, lovely place, and it's another boat. It's called Saltaire Trip Boat. 30 minutes return trip is £4, and they serve food as well. Beautiful. I'm just walking to the other side of the road again. These are the old mills, textile mills in Saltaire. It's not working anymore, they're all closed. Look at those ducks. car and then to home. Hello everyone, I'm back home from the park now. I'm quite tired and I'm not looking good. I know I've just put some oil and I've decided to cook pitla bhakri for dinner tonight. I'm going to cook pitla inside the kitchen, but I'm going to light this fire pit here in the backyard and I'm going to make bhakri on this. Time to prepare some bhakris now. I've got all the preparations ready there. The fire pit is ready. I've got pan and the other things.
अरे प्लस करने के बाद तो मना कर देता है कुछ नहीं है हाँ कि उसने अपडेट नहीं किया उसने मैं कॉल कर रही थी ना तो उसने बोल
Look at that. We have got karela, rice, potatoes, sarson ka saag, pitla and bhakri.